how would you turn it on? All right, so you put the key in there.
Yep.
I got that. So far, that's
And
how far as I got.
Exactly, yeah.
And that turns it on, and then that engine starts up.
Yep.
And then what do you do next?
Then you got to engage the clutch,
Okay.
and then you start the chipper.
And that's it? What's all this stuff? Like, what's these handles do?
That's the winch. So it's got a winch on it and everything. So.
All right, so that's how you start it. Okay. Then what happens?
You just gotta let it out until it's diesel.
Okay.
You know? And
Diesel.
then you just slowly engage the clutch.
All right. That is a pile of leaves right there.